and dirty! Second round of stocks running. You know, we saw the first round, the drivers were sort of not in good position trying to find an opening. We'll see if these drivers play it out the same way. The 17 with the pilot flag is wrapped over his passenger's side. That's not so good for visibility, buddy. Oh, and he loses the tire. We got a loose wheel. Stop, 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 stop. Drivers, stop, 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 stop. Thank you, drivers. They'll always stop for a loose wheel, because a loose wheel can become a projectile wheel in a real hurry. 2, 1, back at it. Demolition Derby. Okay, so the missing tire, we know where it came from. It came from the red 17 that Mark Arnew on his Chatham. And that's a rear-wheel drive truck. So that's pretty much the end of the red 17. Oh, it's just like that, over the very back. Only with the left rear tires. He's just flipping it around. He doesn't care. Flying here in the middle of the arena. The 475 of Brad DeLue breaks away here, takes a run at him. Hard hit to the rear of the 17, who was already the walking wounded. Red flag, stop, 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 stop. 1, back at it, Demolition Derby. Okay, so the 17 not moving very far. I think that's our first casualty. Rear-wheel drive truck with no wheels, not going very far. So I think that's going to be our first elimination. Yeah, I think the 17 is a pile-off now. Oh, chase going on here by the baseball diamond into the barrier. And a hard hit right in front of the main grandstand. Coming in for a secondary up on the brick. We got somebody under the count over here towards the midway side. You see the official with the flag and the counting on him. He's got 60 seconds to start moving and make a competitive hit or he'll be eliminated. And we got another one under the count up here by the main grandstand. That's the 34 of Bill Dobbin out of Petroleum. Oh, into the bricks! That's where you don't want to be. You don't want to be up against the bricks taking hits. Yeah, the driver in the purple truck, he is stuck. Rear-wheel drive just a spinning. The 34, he's tapping out. Takes the stick off. They've got little green sticks on the truck that if they're in competition, they keep it. Oh, into the barrier. He's up on the wheel. He's beat. He can't get out. He's stuck. Look at that. The beer tent's got a great view. He's right up on the brick. Oh, talk about kicking him while he's down. I think he wanted to get hit there. He's hoping to free him. Because I think we're down to 2 here. Oh, he's off the bricks. Can you believe it? He got out of that. Oh, and a right to left front hit into the blocks. This is where you don't want to be. He's into the blocks, trying to get it into gear here. Overheating. And I think the driver of the blue truck is calling it. Is he calling it? says it won't fire. The officials are talking. The red driver truck, he's ready to